Good morning, everyone. What I'm using here is an Zirconia cold laser. So unlike surgical or heat-based lasers, this one is completely non-thermal. That means a couple different things. It means that it doesn't cut, doesn't burn, or damage tissue. Instead, it's using very specific red and violet wavelengths of light to trigger a very natural healing response in the body. I'd like you to think of it like when we're outside in the summertime. We absorb that UV light and then our body produces vitamin D. So when the laser light enters the body, these photons, they're absorbed by special receptors inside our cells. These cells are called chromophores. One of the main ones is an enzyme inside the mitochondria. Think of the mitochondria as basically the battery pack of your cells. It's where everything happens. This absorption starts this true photochemical reaction. That's very important. It's not photothermal, it's photochemical. And the result is more ATP. That's the energy currency of your cells. So more ATP means better healing, less inflammation, improved circulation, and ultimately closer to more restored function. Now, I know everyone has heard of, red light therapy panels or red light devices. And while those can be very soothing, the light from LEDs is very scattered and unfocused. So take a look at the laser light there. It's very straight. It's a very collimated beam. When it's not, it doesn't penetrate as deeply and it doesn't carry enough of the concentrated energy necessary to trigger that photochemical cascade. Try not to get too sciencey here. So in simple terms, LEDs shine light really on the outside or the surface, and a true laser like this targets and activates deep healing inside the tissues. And in my opinion, that's why using an Zirconia laser, really they stand apart from other lasers in the field. They're coherent, they're focused, and they're precisely tuned to wavelengths that the body responds to. At the same time, they also lead the industry in research. So when it comes to FDA clearances, I think there are over about 23 different clearances for different conditions. So it's not just theory. They actually have some proven science, and they lead the industry in the laser industry. Really cool fun fact. I don't know if you guys have Hulu, but check out Bon Jovi's documentary. He used this on tour, helping to recover from vocal cord inflammation. And now the big hit, the Backstreet Boys, they've incorporated Zirconia lasers into their routine since they've returned to tour. Now, if it's good enough to keep international performers moving and pain-free on the stage, imagine what it can do for your athlete at home, yourself, weekend warriors, or anyone dealing with chronic pain. And that's exactly why I use it here in our office. Anything from chronic pain to injury recovery, wound healing, performance and wellness care. It's very safe, it's non-invasive, and ultimately, it helps your body do what it's designed to do, and that's heal itself. See you guys soon.